Assalamu alaikum students, we are going to start this unit number 3, Try Again. Through this title, we remembered the story of King Robert Bruce, how he got defeated by the English army. He hid himself into the cave and he saw a spider over there and got inspired by the attempts of the spider. Let's start reading whether this poem is relevant to that story or not. This poem has been written by a British poet, William Edward Hickson. He was born in January 1803 and died in March 1870. Let's just begin with the stanza number 1. "'Tis a lesson you should heed." This means this one is a contraction. Contraction means that we have joined two words together. This could be called as an "it is" or "this is." "'Tis a lesson you should heed." Heed means pay attention. Try again. This is the lesson that we need to pay attention to, that we need to try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If we face once failure in our life, we should not lose hope. We should try again and again till we get our success. Then your courage should appear. If you would try again and again, your courage would appear and eventually you will be succeeding, you will be getting what you want to achieve. For if you will persevere, persevere means if you are steadfast, if you are consistent, if you are persistent, or if you are determined, you will conquer, never fear. If you are consistent with your work, you are going to win, you are going to conquer it. Never fear. Never ever fear to try again. If you would fear to try again, you would not learn it. So here, if you are remained steadfast with your task, eventually you are going to overcome onto your fears and you are going to achieve it. Failure is the best teacher. We learn from our failures. But if we are not strong enough, if we are not persistent enough, we stop putting our efforts and eventually we do not learn, we do not achieve, we do not get what we want to do. So the perseverance is the key to achieve our. Students, let's move towards second stanza. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. No matter once or twice you face the failure, but if you would remain steadfast, determined or confident, at last you would prevail. Prevail means that you would overcome onto your failures and you would succeed at the end. Try again is the key to succeed. If we strive means make an effort. If we make an effort, if we put an effort, tis no disgrace. It's not a disgrace if we put efforts. But yes, if we stop putting our efforts, it would be humiliating, it would be insulting, it would be disgraceful act if we stop putting our efforts. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? If you do not win the race, what should you do in that case? Which means what need to be done in that case if you do not win the race? The key is try again. Try again is the key to success. No matter what thing you are facing, what failure you are facing, try again, put your effort. Students, let's just move towards the stanza number 3. If you find your task is hard, try again. If you think the target that has been assigned to you or given to you is difficult, do not lose hope, just try again to achieve your assigned task. Time will bring you your reward, which means that nature will pay you back if you would put your effort. For example, if you look at the journey of life, it's not easy. It has ups and downs. So as any work, any task that we do, it has difficulties, it has ease, but we need to focus. We need to be persistent to get our success, and the key is try again. And then all that other folk can do, folk means people, all that other folk can do, then why not you? If other people can achieve, if other people can do their task, why not you? Why with patience should not you? If they can achieve, why not you? It does not mean that other people can achieve, but you cannot achieve. Because Allah has given equal qualities, but the difference is that who would put more effort would get more. So if you want to get success, put your efforts and try again and again. Only keep this rule in view, try again. If you want to achieve something, if you want to get something, keep this rule into your mind that try again and again. So in this poem, the poet says, if you find a task hard, don't get frustrated. Instead, you should keep on trying with patience, because it is the only way to be successful. If you do not surrender, one day you will be successful.